What's good, everybody? Tyler Manganello here, and I have a video about how to make at least $1,000 a day as a beginner in digital marketing, affiliate marketing. So what we're gonna do is, before we even start this video, I want you guys to subscribe, like, and comment after the video is over. Give me some feedback, and I will get back to you when I look at those comments. But what we're gonna be doing today is how to make your first $1,000 as a beginner in affiliate marketing. So what to do when you're as a beginner. Where are you? You're pretty much lost, right? So what we're going to do is do a little PowerPoint presentation here, and what we're going to start with is where to begin. First off, number one, and you're going to pick your niche, and in this niche it's going to be basically what you're going to be representing. So the top three niches going around right now are health, wealth, and relationships, because everybody wants to get healthy. Number one, everybody wants to be in fitness. Everybody wants to get strong. Two, everybody wants to be rich in the world. Everybody's looking for a scapegoat, a shortcut to get rich. And three, everybody wants a healthy relationship. Okay? Everybody wants to be looking for love, build a relationship stronger. And these are the top three in the world. So I recommend going for these top three right now. There's other ones all over the place, but you guys could do your searching around and all that. But you guys, I really recommend doing these top three. Pick one that you love and get to it. So where to begin? Definitely pick your niche, health, wealth, and relationships. And number two, we will be going to, you got to build an audience. 3 steps. You have to build an audience. All right. Always. You can't go through this alone. You have to build an audience, because it's going to make sense at the end of this video why you need to build an audience. Okay. And just stay to the end of the video. It'll make a lot more sense, and you won't be as confused if you just skip to the end and you'll be like, where's he going with this? Just listen, and I'll guide you through the way, okay? So we got 3 steps how to build an audience, okay? 1, pick a platform. So you got Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, blogs, Pinterest. You got a ton of outlets to pick from, okay? But I recommend just picking one platform and mastering it. And then once you master it and you have a good audience, then go and expand, branch out into other places that you feel comfortable in, and go do it. But what I do, I have Instagram and YouTube, but I started Instagram first, and I wish I did YouTube first, but it's what it is. It is what it is. So did Instagram, built my followers on there a little bit, and then I just started YouTube a couple weeks ago, so I'm just starting my audience. But I recommend for you people starting out, start out with YouTube, because everybody wants to hear it from the word of mouth from the seller or the guy giving you value. Okay, it's just psychology. Everybody wants to hear it from your mouth instead of typing words, because everybody's just going to skip over the words, not read it, and it's just going to be a waste of your time. Okay, so pick a platform. Content creation. Okay, content creation for YouTube at least. Content creation, create every day. Create something every day, because you'll build that traction in YouTube, and you'll start to get more followers. You'll start with 1 subscriber, you're going to jump to 10, you're going to go to 50, and then 100. It's just keep going. Okay. Instagram, it's a little different. It's a lot easier to get found on Instagram. You could do hashtags. You could do promotions, paid promotions, and a lot of people see your promotions through those. But YouTube, there's no paid traffic on YouTube. Not for me, at least not what I'm using. But Instagram, you could do some paid traffic, and you could get followers like that, or they could see your posts. But Instagram, it just has the tags you can tag. And yeah, Instagram, YouTube, you just have to be patient with it. Just keep creating content. It's going to suck the first a lot of videos, because it still sucks, because I'm not getting the followers I want. But you just have to keep creating content, and you will eventually create that traction. YouTube will notice it, and they will start featuring your videos a little more than when you first started, because they're going to see how dedicated you are to being in YouTube. So content creation. And next is lead with value. Okay, value, guys. Value is so important. You guys want to lead with value and create value, create content, and have value provided into it. Nobody wants to be sold. Okay, that's the thing. Nobody wants to be sold. Everyone wants to have value, and they can take that value with them and take them wherever they're going with it. Okay, Everybody wants value. Nobody wants to be this. Nobody wants to be sold the first time they meet you, because probably on here, if I'm talking about just trying to sell somebody, they're probably just going to turn the video off and go to the next video or whatever they're going to go watch. But if I'm providing value to somebody that is actually wanting to learn about this business, it's going to help them in the long run. And that's how you're going to build subscribers or followers, guys. So you got to lead with value, okay? Everybody's a human being. I mean, I'm sure if you weren't in this business, you would not want to be sold either. So provide with value, lead with value, and everything will be all right and things will go your way, okay? Next, don't worry about money, okay? Don't worry about money. You're never going to start off with money. You're never going to start your first day and just start making bank, okay? This all leads to, up in the end, you have to climb the hill slowly, but you will start making money in the end if you keep the creation up, the content creation, just like I said. Build that audience and lead with value, and then money will come to you. But do not worry about money in the initial process. It's not worth it, because it's going to burn you out and you're going to quit. That's dead truth. You're going to quit because you're not going to be making any progress because you thought you were going to make money in the first week, because that's not true. Nothing like that in the world is true. There's no process like that. Everything, you got to work hard for everything. Okay? So just listen up. Like we said, pick a platform, content creation, create an audience, and lead with value, okay? Build an engagement with your audience, okay? Because just like I said, if they're gonna run into me in this video right now and you guys never met me, one, you probably don't like me, two, you don't even know what I'm about, and just how to build an engagement to an audience. So the thing is, like with what I do is I create an email list, right? So if somebody is interested, they click my link and I send them an email list, and you have to build a relationship. You have to build a relationship with your audience, and through that email list, they're going to get my emails every day, and it's just going to keep emailing them. So it's cool. So how it works is an autoresponder. Once I email them, once they go through my opt-in page, my landing page, they are going to get an email from me every day, passively, because I'll be sleeping. They still get the email as soon as they log in. As soon as they put their email in, they get the email from me, and that's how you build an audience. That's how you build an audience and engagement. Okay. Also, building engagement is videos like this. So I'm creating value, and I want engagement from you guys in the comments below. Tell me what's going on, and ask me something, and then maybe I could solve it with a video. Okay. So don't worry about money. Initial process is not about money. It's about building your status and building your audience, okay? Find a problem. So ask your audience on how to find a problem. What's wrong? What's the problem with the audience? Have them, that's what the deal with the email list is. So you create an email list, ask them what the deal is, what's the problem, what can you help them with, and then you get a response back, and you can help a problem, or if you just look it up, or if you do some research, you could probably help them with the problem. Sometimes, like 9 out of 10, it's pretty simple problems that people are just not aware of because they're not tech savvy or internet savvy, but there's a lot of us out there that could do that for you guys, okay? So help your audience. It's just providing more value to them, okay? And it builds a lot more trust into them for you in the end. And it just looks way better on you. I'd rather be liked than disliked, guys. How to find the right product, okay? So there's a lot of products to sell out there. So I'm doing right now, what I do is I do affiliate marketing, right? So that product is basically just helping people build an online business or to become an affiliate with the business, and how to become an online entrepreneur, okay? Find one that provides good value, because nobody wants a product that doesn't have any good value in it. They don't get anything out of it. They're paying thousands of dollars for nothing, right? Because there's a lot of things out there like that. There's a lot of scams. I'm sure a lot of people have run into scams that provide no value, and you provided to them a lot of money, right? Number two, good sales process. Find one that sells good, okay? Find one that high tickets can sell to. Find one that this product can sell high tickets to, and that it has good sales process. So you don't want this thing going into traffic and it doesn't get any clicks for you, or nobody is interested in what you're selling. Have a good sales process with this product, okay? and good profit margins. Make sure it's putting money in your pocket, right? So make sure this product is good for you. Do some research. Um, if you guys need any help on that, do some research. I can provide some value to you guys if you need any help with that, finding the right product. If you guys want to look into the product that I'm doing right now, you guys can click the link below. I'll leave it down below, and you guys got a free ebook as well to help make income online passively. So check that out if you guys have any questions on finding the right product for yourself. And next, so you got to make a funnel, guys. If you're doing affiliate marketing or any marketing online, you guys got to make a funnel. If you're not familiar with a funnel, here's an example, okay? So an opt-in page, you're going to start with an opt-in page, and it's going to have just what they clicked on. It's going to be, this will be the first page, and it's just going to be a free video, example, free video reveals the secret to blah, 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 whatever your niche is, okay? And then they put their email in, they submit it. And then once they put their email in, it redirects them to the actual offer thank you page with a video on it, giving them the offer, right? Okay, so the deal with this is, the deal with putting your email in with is, because just like I said before, you guys don't know me. So if you guys just ran into me, you guys don't know me, you don't like me, probably don't like me, you don't trust me. So just like before, building an audience and building trust, this is where this is how you get to talk to your clients if they put their email address in, because they'll get an email sequence sent to them every day, just like I said, and every day it will keep providing content and value to them, and then maybe one day they will go forward with that value and content and then actually buy into the product, right? Because it is about the sale in the end, but it's about value at first, because you can't just sell somebody just selling them. Nobody likes a salesman like that. You got to provide value, guys. And then goes to the affiliate offer at the end, and then that's where they order the product if they get to this part. But just like I said from the beginning part, like you have to follow these steps, guys. You can't just go into this being a salesman. You got to be providing value. You have to do content creation, build an audience, and lead with value. Next, we have a marketing formula, guys. Okay, so just like I said, value, back-end offer, the back-end offer. So like I could be selling an ebook to you guys for free, and then you guys will put your email in, and then that's some value to you guys. Put that email in, then you guys proceed to the next step, and then you guys might buy into the product, okay? Next, then they come to the funnel, and then this would be like a little example of a funnel. So awareness, interest, desire, action, right? So awareness will be your audience. You're building awareness with your audience, doing whatever your niche is with your audience, and whatever way you're providing value, like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, like that. And then if they're interested, like through social media, blogs, newsletters, web content, they'll go to that next step, interest. And then after that, if they're really interested, they're going to feel that desire to buy that product, right? So that, like through ebooks or microsites, brochures. That's why I provide an ebook with my offer, right? So I'm providing more value in the end. So maybe they'll be more interested in buying the product, because there's never too much value, guys. You could provide so much value for somebody, and then hopefully in the end they will buy into that product for them to help themselves, because this isn't just about me. This is to help other people that are looking to get into the business that I'm in right now, right? And I want them to do the same, and I want them to be in the same area I am and making passive income online and making at least $1,000 a day through these steps. And this is the basics to internet marketing. This is the basic deal, okay? And then action, right? Action is the last part. That's when you put your credit card in, you pay, and that's it. This is where it comes down to. This is whether they're dedicated to this or they're just going to turn away. And 9 times out of 10, once they come past this desire part, they're usually buying in. You just have to get them past the interest, and once the desire is there, once they want it, they're going to go for the kill. All right. And lastly, for you guys, once you guys do all that, how to make $1,000 a day, which I'm going to say right here. This is the last part. Okay, so once you make these sales, right? Once you make these sales on these free trafficking sites like YouTube, Instagram, and all that money that you got from that, don't spend it. You don't spend that money. The first thing you do is invest it, and you got to invest it into paid traffic. So you're going to invest, if you got $300 off those free traffic sites, invest that $300 into paid traffic, and then the paid traffic is going to go out. It's going to send your landing page, your opt-in page. It's going to send it out, and you're going to pay for clicks, and then you're going to get profit return in your pocket from doing nothing, just from pay. All you got to do is pay for the paid traffic, and then you get a return in the end. That's it. You're not doing any YouTube videos. You're not doing any Instagram. This is all passive. This is all while you're sleeping. Clicks are going off. You're getting leads. You're getting hits, and then you're getting buys from the opt-in page, but you're not doing any. You're not providing any value through videos or Instagram or anything like that. That's the biggest thing. Paid traffic, guys. Invest that money from free traffic and invest it to paid traffic. And so that $300 will become $400. And then what you do again is you get that $400, invest it into paid traffic. That $400 turns to $600. Invest it again, and again and again, and then it turns into $1,000 at the end of the road. Maybe like a week or two, but that's how you make $1,000 in a day, my friend. Okay, it is a process. It's not $1,000 in a day. It's not an easy step. It's not just something that you just, hey, just sign up and bam, you got $1,000 in your pocket. No, there's nothing like that. You got to put in the work, guys. You got to put in the work to get something out of it. Okay, and that's everything in life. There's nothing in life that comes so simple. You always got to invest if you want to make a return. So I hope that helped you guys for as a beginner starting in affiliate marketing, digital marketing, something like that. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Like, subscribe, dislike. I don't care if you dislike, whatever. I just need some feedback, guys. So please subscribe below, click that bell notification for daily content from your boy. And I'll see you soon, guys. All right, take care and peace.